Welcome back. Well, let's now shift focus to the commodity markets. Manisha is here with the details and the action as always. Manisha, what's capturing your imagination today?
Well, it's a season of all-time highs, really, when you look at precious metals. So gold is doing that, but silver is doing even better. So with 3% of gains in the overnight markets, we've seen $35 an ounce come in for this one. Slight profit taking, as is always the case. When you see that huge run-up come in, there will be some hands which will go in for some profit taking there. But even with these gains, the kind of levels that we are working with right now, the gold prices are trading at a 12-year highs in the international markets, and the Indian prices have seen 1 lakh rupees in the New York session yesterday, which is an all-time high for the prices. So even as we are looking at 99,700 odd in the futures market, in the spot market, you will add GST to this, you will add making charges to it. So it's basically is a lakh rupee plus when it comes to the physical markets there. When you look at the prices on how they've done in the recent past, well, we have seen prices gain up by 9% in last week, 46% now in this year, and 51% in the matter of last 12 months. So that is what silver has done for you in your portfolio there. Well, the reason that silver prices are surging is one, there is strong investment demand that you have seen come in for this one. And then apart from that, the record high gold prices, safe haven demand that silver also caters to in some sense have been supportive. There is also a record offtake that we've seen come in from the photovoltaic as an industry. And then it also has been about the mine output, which has continued to be stagnant, supporting prices. I want to talk about the world global deficit, and that is a market which continues to support the prices. So this is going to be a fourth straight year that the global silver markets are into a deficit. Last year was almost at around 184 million ounces of a deficit. This year is even higher at 215 million ounces. So we continue to look at those kind of numbers there. The street also is looking at the industrial demand, which is hitting record highs. This is also going to be a fourth straight year that the industrial demand for silver is going to hit a record highs. The markets do believe that going forward from here, it is going to be further highs that you can see in case of silver. A Citi report that came in yesterday suggests that next 6 to 12 months, you could be looking at silver prices hitting $40 an ounce. There also are reports from UBS, JPM, Goldman Sachs, everybody saying that it is going to be anywhere between $38 to $42 on the higher side that you could see for silver prices in the next year.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. Well, we